My name's Louis. I've been filmmaking in the UK for about 6 years, doing mainly music videos and short films. I've always graded my work manually to look like it was shot on film, until I came across Dehancer. For people wanting to know what Dehancer is, it's a film emulation plugin. It lets you grade your digital footage extremely easily to make it look like it was shot on film. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief rundown of how I got this S-Log3 footage to look like this. Firstly, to install Dehancer, it's super easy. There's no need to be locating any folders and dragging and dropping. As soon as you've double-clicked the install file and installed it, you'll be ready to go in DaVinci. For the purpose of this video, I'll be grading this on one node to show you can get from log footage to film look purely using Dehancer.
Here we go.
Well, that's excellent.
Life is a journey.
Here we go.
Let's get started.
Life is good.
Now this was only a brief video to show you how quickly you can work and transform your footage using Dehancer only. Would I recommend this plugin to filmmakers? Absolutely yes. I've been trying for years to achieve a look that Dehancer can give me in a matter of minutes. And in this video, I've only really skimmed the surface of what this plugin is capable of. Now if you're looking to purchase Dehancer, the guys over there have kindly given me an exclusive 10% discount code, which is Visuals by Louis 10. So make sure you put that in at the checkout to save yourself a few pennies. I hope you enjoyed the video, and for anyone who's new to my work, please like and subscribe to support the channel. It's much appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one.